Good morning, student. Welcome back to your online class, subject science. Okay, student. Student, as you know, I am completed your chapter first and second in your previous classes. Hope you are all completed your exercise in your notebook and also completed in the test book. Okay, student. Now, student, today I will discuss your chapter number third. I will discuss your chapter number third continuously. Okay, student. So, student, open your book. Open your book. Chapter number third. The chapter number third is safety. Safety and first aid. Okay, student. So today I will discuss about the what is safety, why safety is necessary, and what is accidents, and what are the first aids. So it is knowing to proper treatment about the first aid on the correct situation of an injured person. You know, student, accident is always harmful to everyone. So today is 28th July 2020, class 5th, subject science. And today I will teach you safety and first aid. Student, accident can occur anywhere. Anywhere means it can be occur at home, on the road, in the school, outside of school, okay, and student generally in the playground. So follow the safety rules, traffic rules, and some precautions at your home, in the school. Okay, student. So student, you know, accident is a unexpected incidents which occur in any time, in any places. Okay, it is always harmful to the human being. Some accidents are very dangerous to the human being. Okay, student, because certain injuries are for long period of time, and some accidents can lead the minor scraps on and cuts to your body. So, student, one should know, be careful, and what is the safety rules in the school premises, playground, on the road. So student, it can be prevented by caution. Prevented by accident can be prevented by caution and thinking before doing. Thinking before doing. Okay, so thinking before doing and follow some simple safety rules. Follow some simple SAFET safety rules. Okay, student. So one should very careful to avoid accident. One should be careful to avoid accidents from happening. How? By caution, by thinking before doing. When I start something doing or playing, so before starting, we should know about what is the result, what is the tips, precautions, and follow some simple safety rules. Okay? So in this topic we will discuss about the what is simple safety rules. Okay student, sometimes we should given a immediate help to an injured person. This is called first aid. First aid. Student, first aid you have already learned in class 4. First aid is the immediate help to a given injured person before the arrival of doctor. Okay student, means immediate help, immediate treatment by which we can save a person. Okay, so it is knowing what is the proper first way, first aid for that time of the situations. Okay student, so person get before the arrival of the medical help, proper medical help. So first aid is the immediate help before the giving the proper medical help, before the arrival of doctor. Okay student, now what is the first aid for fire? Fire, generally fire are occur in the kitchen, working place. Kitchen is the working place, and the electric gadgets. So what is the point? Safety from fire. Generally where it is found? Generally it is found in the working in the kitchen. KITCHEN, electric gadgets means electric appliances. Short circuit. You know how short circuit? When the plastic covering over the wire, sometimes they are cutted. They are touched to other wires and got the circuits which causes the fire. So always be checking the electric gadgets time to time properly and replace the break wire and use the new copper wire. Okay student, so student, in case of gas leak, so don't put on the electric switches because it can catches the fire. When electric switches got sparking, a small sparking, you know student, when you put on the burner, a small point of fire may burn your stove, gas stove. So don't use the match sticks, don't fire the match, don't put on the switches of the board, and call any mechanic immediate. Okay student, now student, in case of the kerosene oil spilled on your floor, so student, don't use the gas stoves, kerosene bag, kerosene container in your kitchen area. Keep away this from your kitchen area. Okay student, so these some, and student, sometimes our pans got it burn and a small fire or erase from the pan area where we boiling some oils or ghee. So if the small fire got it burn, then you can throw a small powder, that is baking soda, on the burn area. So it catches the put off the fire because it's cutted the supply of oxygen. So it is very necessary to cut off the oxygen because oxygen give the burning increases. So student, Never wear the nylon clothes in the kitchen. Never wear the nylon clothes. Never wear the nylon clothes because it can catch fire easily. Okay, student? And always wear the cotton clothes. Cotton cloth. Okay, student, because they catch fire not easily. So cotton clothes are safer for to wear. Okay, student. There are some area where fire generally are found in kitchen, in the gadgets or electric appliances. So what is the prevention from fire? Prevention from fire. Okay, student. To stop the burning or fire, we needed to cut the supply of oxygen. Suppose any person got a fire, burn. They fallen down on the earth and rolled up. This caused the cut of oxygen in the affected area or their clothes. You can also cover the person with the blanket or any cotton weighted cotton clothes. So by this we can cut the supply of oxygen. Okay, student. If the burn caused due to the electric short circuit, don't throw the water on the fire area because it got it to your shock. So throw the sand on the electric shock through the wire, and also an equipment, it is called fire extinguisher. This is an instrument. This contains some chemicals like solid carbon dioxide. Okay, this is a special extinguisher to put off the electric fire. Put off the electric fire. Don't use the water in electric fire. Okay, never throw water on the fire caused by the electricity. Okay, student. If the clothes catch fire, roll the ground. I am already saying this. Roll on the ground. Okay, if fire caused due to the kerosene, petrol, diesel, so don't throw the water upon the kerosene or petrol because student, kerosene and petrol are lighter than water. So it continuously burning because water is heavier than the petrol and kerosene. So don't use the water to put off the fire. So you should put off the kerosene fire through the sand or mud. Okay, student. You can also use the fire extinguisher. Okay, in case of fire is severe, so very big in the large area, called a fire brigade on dial 101. Okay, student, remember this number. For a severe burning, dial 100 and call for the fire brigade. BRIGADE, BRIGADE. Okay, fire brigade. So student, there are so many other tips and precautions already given in your textbook, so you should read properly. Okay student, now let us going to next topic. Student, safety from fire. And now your next topic is safety from your school or playground. So there are many tips already given in your book. So student, I am also taking your book for solving some checkpoint. Which are given in page number 32. Take the pencil and eraser and state true or false. Also correct the false statement. You should write down in the rough copy. Okay. So take a rough or homework copy. I am going to explain the concept check after completing the safety from fire. This proves that how I am getting improve our knowledge about this topic. Concept check, page number 32. Okay student, state true or false. STATE, state true or false and correct the false statement. Okay student, also correct the false statement. First, answer first. You will write down the question also. Question first in your homework copy. Faculty electrical appliances may cause fire. Faculty electrical appliances may cause fire. I have already said that the electric gadgets and the kitchen area are the mainly area that have the catches fire, generally catches the fire. So this is the correct statement. True. True. Don't write the statement, write only true. True statement. Answer question number 2. Write down and answer. I will write only answer. Okay. Oil fire can be extinguished by throwing water over it. Oil fire or petrol or kerosene, you know student, don't use water to put off. So why? Student, this statement is first of wrong statement, false statement. False. STATE statement. So why? Oil oil fire can be extinguished, extinguished, extinguished by throwing. What throwing? Throwing sand. Okay, this is already given in page number 31. So never throw water over burning kerosene or petrol. These are lighter than water and float over water and will continue burning in case of fire in severe. No. So fire caused by electricity can be put out by throwing sand over it. Throwing sand over it. This is the correct. Okay, correct statement. This is the correct statement. And this is the first half right false statement, and after written the first statement, you should write down the correct statement. Also correct the false statement. Okay. Right. So write down the this way. Okay. Now question number third. Answer number third. To keep burning, fire needs carbon dioxide. Student, fire need oxygen gas for continuously burning. So first of all, this statement is false statement. False statement. True statement is, you can write down here, true statement is, write down this oil fire can in this way is to keep burning fire needs oxygen gas. Question number 4. Answer number 4. Kerosene and petrol are heavier than water. False statement. True statement is kerosene and petrol are lighter than water. Okay, student. Because so due to these are lighter than water and float over the water and will continue burning. Fifth, last, question number 5, write down in your copy and also write down the answer. 5. Pouring water over the fire cool down the burning substances. Pouring water over the fire cools. Over the fire push down the burning forces. Okay, this is the true statement. True. True statement. So student, now we will discuss the first aid topic, first aid in your next class. So write down the today's homework. Erase question number 4 and answer number 4. Homework, science homework. Read about the safety from fire. Okay. Chapter 3rd. Student, and learn concept check. Concept check. Page number 32. And listen orally and read about the first aid also. Okay student, hope you are all completed the exercise of chapter 1st and chapter 2nd in your notebook, and also completed in your test book with pencils. Okay student, don't be panic. If you have any queries, you can ask to me by direct on my mobile number, personal mobile number. Okay student, in between the 10 to 12, sorry, after 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. because in 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. on this is your online class schedule, so you can ask to me after 12 p.m. Okay student, thank you. Write down the homework.